Today, we're exploring the 5 best Android cleaner apps of 2026 that can boost your phone's performance and free up storage instantly. Let's dive into the full tutorial guide. At number 5, we've got Norton Cleaner, junk removal, with over 5 million installs and a 3.6-star rating. This isn't just a basic cleaner, it's built to actually free up serious space on your Android. It clears hidden junk files, cache, and leftover data that silently eat your storage. You can clean photos, delete duplicate images, remove large videos, and even uninstall unused or hidden bloatware apps in just a few taps. And the best part? The auto clean feature. Set it once and it keeps your phone optimized without you doing anything. It also has browser cleaning for privacy, plus a sleep mode that stops background apps draining your battery and performance. Why people use it? That's why millions download it to make old or slow phones feel brand new again. Here's number 4 on the list. Phone Cleaner, AI Cleaner. With 50 million plus downloads and a 4.6 rating, this app is seriously popular for a reason. Ever noticed your phone getting laggy over time? This app fixes that instantly by scanning everything inside your device. It finds junk files, hidden cache, duplicate photos, old screenshots, and massive unused files, all automatically. But here's the smart part. Its AI cleaning system doesn't just guess, it analyzes your storage and shows exactly what you can delete safely. Plus, you get a full app manager to control storage-heavy apps, a powerful file organizer for photos, videos, and documents, one-tap cleanup to free space instantly. That's why users love it. It's fast, simple, and actually makes your phone feel brand new again. Number 3, we've got the Cleaner Antivirus VPN Cleaner app, rated 4.6 stars with over 10 million installs and 600k plus reviews. What it does? This isn't just a basic cleaner. It's a full mobile protection toolkit. It clears junk files, removes cache, and frees up space in seconds, making your phone feel brand new again. But that's not all. It also comes with a powerful antivirus system that scans for viruses, malware, and hidden threats in real time, keeping your data safe 24/7. Plus, it includes a built-in VPN, so your browsing stays private and secure, even on public Wi-Fi. And if you're messy with files, the Smart File Manager helps you organize, transfer, and manage everything easily. It's basically an all-in-one solution: cleaner, security, and privacy in one simple app. At number 2, this is one of the most powerful storage cleaning apps you can get on Android right now. If your phone is slowing down, freezing, or always showing storage full, you're going to want to pay attention. I'm talking about AVG Cleaner, a storage booster and junk remover trusted by over 100 million installs, with a solid 4.1 rating and more than 1 million reviews worldwide. Here's what makes it stand out. It instantly scans your phone and removes junk files, hidden cache, and leftover app data that silently eats your storage. It also finds duplicate and low-quality photos, so you can clean your gallery in seconds without scrolling forever. One of the smartest features, the App Analyzer. It shows which apps are draining your battery, using too much data, or taking unnecessary space, so you can uninstall them fast. And with just one tap, you can run a full cleanup and free up serious storage in seconds. What people love most is how simple it feels. No complicated settings, just open, tap, and clean. That's why millions use it to keep their phones fast, smooth, and clutter-free every single day. Lastly, number 1, we've got C Cleaner, phone cleaner with a solid 4.2 rating and over 100 million installs worldwide. This app is like a deep clean button for your Android. It removes junk files, clears hidden cache, deletes old downloads, and even wipes leftover app data in seconds. But that's not all. It analyzes your storage to show exactly what's eating your space. You can uninstall multiple apps at once and even detect apps draining your battery or slowing your phone down. Got messy photos? It helps you find blurry, duplicate, or low quality pictures and clean them up instantly. Plus, it monitors your CPU, RAM, storage, and battery health so you always know what's happening inside your phone. That's why millions use it to make their phone faster, cleaner, and smoother without any tech skills. Which one would you pick? Comment below. Thanks for watching.